Hello viewers, hope everybody's well. It's Simon at D.M Keith Suzuki Motor Group. I'm at their Bradford Canal Road site this morning. Glorious day. Just got keys to this. July 2024 registered, new style Swift, and it is the Motion finished in Frontier Blue. I'm actually driving this exact car in this exact colour and I'm very, very chuffed with it. This one's done about 6,290 miles, 6,300 there or thereabouts, and it's at our BD2 branch. But yeah, super. We've managed to get a few of these recently and they are fantastic. They're flying out. Motion trim level, I mean, technically it's the entry-level car, this Motion and Ultra, but I mean, blimey, when you drive it and all the things inside it, you really do think you've bought the top one. You've got rear parking sensors, you've got full colour reversing camera, newer style fast reacting LED tail lights at the back, super silver alloy wheels. Every single one of them is perfect on this car. You've got keyless access, so you've got the keys in your pocket, walk up to the car. In the side mirrors there is blind spot detection, so if you do a bit of motorway driving, sometimes people start to commit to an overtake, then perhaps stop and then go back in and you're not sure where they are, it'll tell you which side of the car they are or if they're in your blind spot. Little lens there behind it, there is the radar beam being sent down for the adaptive cruise and for the emergency brake assist. It's called dual camera brake support, and what it can do is it can issue a warning inside the cockpit, and if you're not sort of really paying attention, you can actually apply the brakes. It's blooming magic. It saved me 1 or 2 times from an embarrassment. Loads and loads and loads of height adjustment on the seats. These are, you know, still sharing the same DNA as the last outgoing Swift, which had phenomenal comfort levels. It really, really did. But yeah, they've just sort of sharpened it up inside. Heated seats. The front seats are heated on the vehicle. As I say, this is entry-level model. And then if you go through with the camera, you'll find that we've got a thumping great big navigation unit. That little button there, guys, well, it's not a button per se, but there's a sensor. It's looking at your retinas, and if you're not concentrating on the road, it'll tell you off. Reverse camera. DAB, Apple CarPlay, both Wi-Fi, so you don't have to worry about that. Sorry, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, both Wi-Fi. Really nice heater controls and absolutely stacks of connectivity down there for your power and your various devices. Adaptive cruise control means that the car can maintain a speed and it can regulate it if the car in front speed is going up or down. It can just hold back, and lane departure warning is really, really handy if you sort of getting tired or jaded on a journey and start to move to the, you know, the lines. It'll just say, hey, come on, maybe time to take a break. This one's done 55 to the gallon. I'm getting 62 out of mine. 6288. Stack of warranty available now. Blooming great saving against a brand spanker. You can take the warranty all the way through till 7 years, you know, so July 2031 under warranty. Basically you get 3 years with the car, and then a service each year triggers an additional year of warranty and roadside assistance, on and on and on and on and on like that, right the way to its 7th birthday. So that's a great investment. Then you might want to change it after that. I'm going to put a link, as I've been doing, into the description box. It'll click on and take you straight through to this car, but I have got a few of these to photograph today in video. So there's different colours available. It's cool yellow, I think it's silver, blue, there'll be a white one about, I think, as well, and a grey one. So just have a look on there, and if you need them moving between branches, guys, we can do that for you, no problem. You just put a refundable deposit down, we take it off sale, pop it to the other branch, and then give you a ring, say come over and enjoy your test drive. When you come for your test drive, please on the day bring your driving licence and scribble down or make a note of your national insurance number if you just can't remember it readily. It's so we can insure you while you're out. Have a wonderful day, enjoy this sunshine. Spring's definitely here properly now, so it's great, and we look forward to seeing you or hearing from you very, very soon. Take care, guys, drive safe as always, and all of the best.